Well, hi, this is Rich. We're at a park in McAlester, Oklahoma. And I thought, well, I'm on vacation, might as well take my metal detector. So let's go down around the grassy area and see what we might find. I got an all-terrain general. I have the noise canceled on about, let's see, about 2. Ground balance, about 37. I'm going to have the recovery speed about 5. I have a discrimination pattern on here. As you can see right in here, this little gray line, I have 29 to 31 blanked out. There's usually pull tabs in that area. A lot of people says, there's rings in there. You don't need to do that. I have 5 tones. I think that's about it. Like a modern day quarter. There it is, another quarter. This is right where I just dug the last one. I'm pretty close to it at least. There it is. Another quarter. There we go. I think it's 1991. 1991. There it is, a shiny penny. Reads about 61. Probably another penny. And it's not, it's a zipper. Well, we found a cute few coins here. It's been a lot of fun. I better get back to the motel because my wife was gonna say, where is he? And she's probably thinking I found a bunch of quarters or something, which I did. Thanks so much for watching. If you give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel, it really helped me out. So until next time, thanks a lot.